Hi guys, it's me, Jaylee Kaye. Welcome to my show. Today, we're going to be learning about fruits. Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm so excited to teach you about fruits. So let me tell you what we have. Grapes, banana, and orange, kiwi, watermelon, and apple. So let's get started. First, I'll need some grapes. We can't cut them up. We need to use our magic to make real grapes and real fruit. Abra, cadabra, make these toy fruits into real fruit. Walk again. Now we have to talk about all the fruits. So, big juicy banana. Okay, and big juicy kiwi. And I don't like kiwi, so I'm not going to try it. And big juicy orange. I tried it before, so I'm going to eat it. Another big juicy kiwi. You got the other big juicy kiwi. No, the fruit drop. And also a green apple. Another green apple. And one pair of grapes. And another little pair of grapes. And last is the watermelon. It's so heavy. Ugh. Whoa, where we put this? Let me take this. Whoa, so heavy. Guys, this is so heavy. We can't carry this anymore. Whoa, and Mom, let's cut this up. Let's see if my big knife will cut all these. Each one of these. I'm going to do a watermelon, the big watermelon. Because it's going to be so hard for us to cut this whole entire thing. So let's open it. How do we open it? Oh, we can see it's at my knife. Come on, cut up. It cut you off. Oh, it's opening. That was easy. No, apple, stay here. Thank you. That was so easy to peel this off. Just peel. Whoa, we got one piece off. Now I just need to take the other off. Come on. Let's put it right there. Not the rest. It's coming off. Peel it. That was the last square. Time to cut it up. I'm cutting it. It's cool. Cut slice. That was easy. Well, my Jaylee makes it kind of watermelon, but kind of apple. Let's try. go away. Try this one. Oh no, okay, I'm gonna just keep cutting this watermelon. This big one. So big and juicy. I don't want to eat it because I have to keep cutting it off. Well, this toy neck can still cut this real watermelon, but I have to see if I can cut these other fruits. So let's move this away so we can eat it. So let's try these grapes. How about we just take them off by doing this? That was easy. But let's keep doing that. And peel. Whoa, you see this green one? That's so awesome. Let me try finding more green ones. Whoa, it's peel. The red is peeling off the green. Let me get all of them before they all pop. And come on, they look like egg yolks. Ew, yucky egg yolks. Cool egg yolks. Aren't these cool egg yolks? They look like a real egg yolks. I think that's enough grapes. Let me see if I cut my orange. I know I did an orange before. I never cut down the grapes. I guess I can't either. Time to cut one of these kiwis. I'll cut these kiwis. Okay, I'll cut this kiwi. That's how I'm magic. Make these cutted up. Wow! It just worked. That's so amazing. Now, one more thing is the countdown. That's what you do. So, it's getting on your hands. Look at these. We can let that off. Now tell me one. Dummy. Two. Let's time together. Whoa, red one is in our hands. Look at all this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, 15! I'm done. Oh, I got over my hand. Now, wait a minute. Let me put my hands off. I'm back, guys. And then, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 89. Oh, what is this? What is this? It's so gooey and slimy. No, I don't like this. 1, 2, 3. That's easy. 1. I just poked my hand in there. Look at that. It looks like blood. Looks like blood. It looks like blood. Can we wipe this off? I'll be right back, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oranges. 6 pineapples. 6 kiwis. 6 bananas. 6 grapes. 2 mama, papa, papa. After that. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. See you next